at the car wash again.
Absolutely rolling. I hate it.
Why is there another one?
I'm at the car wash again. There's my dada. See my dada? Ah, he's splashing me. Why is he splashing me? Dada, no. Ah.
Copyrighted music. Copyrighted music. Warning. 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 Ah! Why? Why? Go away. Go away. Oh God, it's gone. Oh, I didn't want to get copyrighted. Oh, good thing it's gone. Oh, yeah. I see you. Do you see me? I will find you. And I will kill you. Ah! So much car wash. Like, what? So much car wash. Car wash. Too much car wash. Do you see that symbol? Yeah, I'm in a Mustang. Losers. Ha! This is my dad's Mustang. You see it? Yeah. Whoa. Yay. Torture. Who is that weirdo recording on the iPad? I don't even know. That was weird.
More dada washing the car.
He's washing the car. Perfect timing. Whoa. Stop. Whoa. I am super nerd. I'm joking. No, for real, I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah. You heard me right. I'm joking. Not I'm choking. I'm joking. Ugh. What's happening? Okay, it's over. Lols.